Tell me this is not the most beautiful C8 you've ever saw. This ain't the regular one. This is a convertible one. This is the Spider. Shout out to 4G. Headlights tinted so lightly and slightly. This came from Stitching Hats, baby. That's why these are still here. Backlights tinted. What a beauty. Find another one of these will be almost impossible. 9,000 miles. Just in beautiful condition, showroom condition. Everything is original on this car. Even the factories, I wanted to remove the factory so they don't get oxidized. And this car is on 24s right now. Now, do plan to switch them to 24 4G autos, but we just sat them on these for now. These are beautiful. The paint is beautiful, and we wanted to preserve the original paint, so we wrapped it. You will never find another Mercury Marauder that's better than this. More original. The whole interior is perfect. Not one button is scratched. The leather is in amazing condition. This was the greatest car of its era until the 2006 Impala interior on this beauty. Such beautiful condition. Now, when you get these cars, man, a lot of these steering wheels be messed up from like the hitting the buttons or the radio pieces, because these things easily peel off. But it's in such immaculate shape. No one's ever smoked in it. The Mercury Marauder, man. Such an iconic car. Beautiful. They don't make red seats no more. Only 10 miles? What? Oh my God, my baby is back. Only 500 in the world. This is number 15. This thing will never get sold, never get duplicated, never be replicated. Oh my God. Yeah, this is my favorite car of all time. They'll never make another again.
If that pulled up outside your house, you'd think, oh no, a drug dealer is here.